Hi guys, it's Mike here, Celtic Hunters UK. Back on the rabbits tonight, and also trying to get one or two foxes. We've only got one year the other week, last week, and we still need to get one or two, quite a few. And the reason why we do foxes, there's a lot of chickens, a lot of ducks, and everything else. They're causing a lot of aggro, really, plus the sheep and the lambs. Why am I shooting the rabbits? It's this area on this estate is basically a lot of asparagus fields, so we are doing like crop protection to keep the rabbits down, to minimize the, I don't know, damage, you know, and they do damage, especially from the corners. Go from the corners and they go outwards. So yeah, it's see what happens. It's not raining tonight. It's a bit windy though, but I've got my WSM. I've got my Pulsar Trillion X38 thermal scope, and I've got my X Micro L5025 hand thermal, so I've got no excuses. Oh. Right then, I shall pause this tape and I'll try and come back to you if I shoot anything. I hope so. I think I will, because the boss sent me a text and said, look, they went wrong with the thermal the other day and there's still a few, so I said I got to do another twice to knock them back. So the harvesting, they're all set up ready, but the harvesting is probably about May, June, and it's about 6 weeks. Don't last long, but it's a high value crop. So anyway, I'm Wolfie. Speak to you later. Bye. Number one. Number two. There's a miss. Got him. Yeah. Got it. Missed. Sure. Ooh. That's a good one. That's a long shot. Got him. Cracking shot. Got him. Got him. Ooh. Missed an easy one. Get the harder one. God, it's infested on this side. Got him. Nice. That's it for tonight on the rabbits, but I went to another wood on the way back and trying to get Charlie. I did see 2 foxes when I was doing the feed boxes last week, but all I saw was deer and muntjac, so I thought I'd show you it.